back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Let's run the lineup. Starting on the point. In the 34D, it's Kenny Yoder. Going second in the 85, Kit Smooth, Gunnar Walls. Trayton Lee in the 2T, a roll off third. Taylor Farting in the 8-4th. Caden Rank, he'll roll off 5th in the 27th. And there he is, Snooky, Lane Snook. He'll roll off 6th in the 23. Tristan Nieder, he'll go 7th in the 121. Cheyenne Smith in the 72B, she'll go 8th. 9th out of Worleystown, Pennsylvania, driving the Worleystown Express. It's DJ Myers in the 70J. Rolling off 10th, Howard Rank Jr. in the 00, Bachman, Walls, Merkel, Reed, Lowry, Walls, and Jacob Piper in the 71. 20 laps the distance. Here we go. Yoder fires, green flag. Yoder, Walls, Trayton Lee, Farley making a move on the lip. Lot of moving in the back of the field. Yellow flag. Nieder in the 99. Bachman and Nieder turned around in turn 4. The yellow will come out. 2 laps in, 18 remain. Here we go. Yoder, he'll bring him to the cone. Green flag. Farling round in. He'll secure 3rd. He's working the upper lip. Farling on the top. He's all over it. Walls trying to run down Yoder right now. Snook now in the 5th. Myers on the march as well. Farling on the top. He's going to try to take Yoder on the outside. Yoder holds on. Farling round in. He'll make the pass. Taylor Farling to the front. Yoder, though, he fights back. Yoder will lead it. Excuse me, Farley. Gunnar Walls working the top level as well. Trying to get around Yoder for 2nd. Walls, he's getting a run off 2. Let's see. They're too tight coming through 3 and 4. Walls into 2nd right now. Halfway. Snook up into 4th. Snook making a move on Kenny Yoder. He's running the upper crust right now. Let's see if he can get 3rd spot. He does. Farling, Walls, Snook. Yellow flag, Rank. Yellow flag, Rank. Right off turn 2. The 00 of Rank sits idle up at turn 2. Bachman, Lowry, Dawson, Walls, Ryle, Nieder, green flag. Snook trying to take the second spot, fighting against walls. Five laps remain. Walls holding on to second. Snook trying to work the bottom to get him. Yellow flag. Bachman sits in turn 4 right now. Bachman sits in turn 4 in the 99. 4 laps remain. Farling will lead him to the cone. He fires. Green, green. Walls tries to make a bold move. He opens the door for Snook. Snook makes a big move coming in for second. Next time around, it'll be 2 to go. White flag, Taylor Farling. Dive bomb by Snook. Holy moly, it's Farling. Farling, your feature winner. Snook second, Walls third. Okay, he's getting out of the car. There he is, Taylor Farling. Taylor Farling. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. Taylor Farling, victory lane tonight. I'm going to tell you what a fill me back up moment here at Path Valley.
Yeah, I was hoping for my redemption shot on the top side, and I think we got it.
I tell you what, you found that top groove. You were going like a rocket, you know. Man, York Excavating Night, they got you a trophy here tonight. In victory lane, it doesn't get any better than this in Spring Run.
No, this is unbelievable. I mean, hats off to the track. Perfect track. I'd imagine it was racy all the way around. At least it looked like it in the super late. So, hats off to you guys. Hats off to my team, my dad, my pap, Dave, his kids, Mike, Johnny, Galena. All the guys that are here. My wife. People, my pap, Darlene, her Nana. Everybody that helps me. Do what we're doing in here at the track, at the garage. I greatly appreciate it. I got to thank my sponsors, Nikian Tires, Newville Auto and Hardware, Lee Brandt, Farling's Garage, Evolve Electric, Shetron's Tires, CDS, Coix and Associates, Rolling Acre Farms, Tom Barron's Race Engines. Without these, Kessler's Auto Glass, without you guys, I couldn't do it. Thank you.
I tell you what, Taylor, it's good to see you. We're happy to have you here to race. You park it tonight. What a big night. Dr. Krause's Night of Power. York Excavating Night. How about another big round of applause? It's Taylor Farling, your winner.
That's a lucky penny. Here's the penny we found last night. Heads up.
They found the lucky penny last night, so that worked out well for you. It's also Arch Night tonight. They have a flag here from the Auto Racing Club of Hagerstown.